Hi, my dear brothers and sisters in Christ. With hearts full of gratitude, we recall the joyful celebration of our parish's 50th anniversary last year. What a milestone it was, a grace-filled moment to thank God for blessing us with such a wonderful community and to remember with deep appreciation the generosities of all benefactors and parishioners who over the 5 decades have built and sustained this spiritual home. Truly, our parish has grown into a vibrant and prayerful family because of your faithful support and dedication. As our community continues to grow, so does our shared responsibility to ensure that our parish campus remains a welcoming and hospitable place for worship, fellowship, and service. With this in mind, we are undertaking several important projects to maintain and improve our facilities. To make these improvements possible, we are prayerfully seeking to raise $260,000. We would be incredibly grateful if you would consider making a gift to support this effort. Every contribution, large or small, will make a meaningful difference in helping us preserve and enhance our parish home for generations to come. There will be a second collection this week after all masses. Thank you and God bless.